Hi neighbors, Glenn Scott the painter here with my cancer update. First I have to praise God for the results and that the power of prayer does work. I had my surgery on July 19th at Banner Medical Center, and my surgeon, Dr. Hadi Najafian, removed all of the cancer to the point that I don't need any chemo or radiation treatments. Yes, we caught it early, in stage 1. And I want to encourage everyone to get tested and scanned as soon as you can. My cancer was discovered through a routine checkup with my Dr. Gurvinder Dhaliwal, who recommended that I get a Cologuard test. That test came back positive. He then referred me to Dr. Yvette Lamb, who performed my colonoscopy and found the colon cancer. She then referred me to Dr. Hadi Najafian, the surgeon who removed my cancer. Again, I want to encourage you to get tested in hopes that you find the results early and, better yet, negative. I pray that God keeps you in His mercy and grace. Also, I would like to thank all of my clients who have been supportive and praying for me. I'm hoping to be back at work in early October, and so far I have 4 jobs lined up and ready to go. You can contact me at the email below. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.